Here I am in the city. About to get a trench. Hi, thanks for joining me today in this special video. Over the years, this channel has funny moments. I am going to show you my latest compile. I compiled most of my favourite ones over the years of this channel, and I hope you enjoy this funny trip down memory lane. You also want to talk about me taking the dust cap. Well, you going to see a dust cap? I'm wearing it. You know what? I hope this will actually be circulated all around the industry. Eh? Well, you asked me to collect the dust cap, and I've got one. And here is my dunce cap. Well, you want the dunce cap? I'm wearing it. Well, you want the dunce cap? I'm wearing it. Back to popular demand. On my first episode, 2008, I made a dunce cap. Well, here it is again, another dunce cap. Back for popular demand, with a bit of humour and a bit of this and that. Huh? Is that this platform was basically full of people smashing up toilets. Yeah, but however. And then also a decade later, I had some chick on a prankster chick got herself stuck with a toilet seat. On YouTube, I just love watching prank videos, seeing people making a fool of themselves. I absolutely enjoy watching it, especially when you're feeling down the dumps. These videos seem to cheer up a bit when you're feeling down in the dumps. So yeah, watching people make a fool of themselves on YouTube is actually quite hilarious. So yeah. In today's video, I'm going to talk about part 2 about pranksters. Look at that, eh? There's a spider in the shed ready to bite on somebody's bottom. Look at that, eh? Look at that. A spider in the shed. Oh yeah. In the shed. There. There's just a spider in the shed. Distance. Distance. screen here. Well, you can actually please don't forget to tap that bell.